So if you get any three elements, how will you draw a Venn diagram? So n of A is equal to 28, n of B is 31, n of C is equal to 42. 5 members like basketball and football only that have written directly, it is 5. They have not given how many students took both physics, chemistry and biology. Hello everyone, welcome back to my new session. I am Shweta, Computer Science Faculty, Vidyashram First Grade College, Mysore. So in my last session, I have discussed problems on Venn diagram, that is for two elements. So today I will discuss again Venn diagram on three elements. So how will you draw a Venn diagram using three elements? In my last session, I have discussed the Venn diagram on two elements. So if you get any two elements in Venn diagram, easily you can draw a two circles and you can construct a Venn diagram. So if you get any three elements, how will you draw a Venn diagram? So what are the instructions we have to use to write the Venn diagram for three elements? So here x, y, z, again I will take three elements. So x means number of elements that belong to set A only. This is x. Number of elements that belongs to set A only, and y means number of elements that belong to set B only. This is y elements, and z means number of elements that belong to set A and B both. Number of elements that belongs to set A and set B, that is z. And W is number of elements that belong to none of the three sets A or B or C. So this W represents number of elements that belong to none of the sets A, B or C. W means it represents the number of elements that belongs to none of the sets A, B and C. And just now I told you about Z. Z means it is A intersection B, right? And what is this region called? This region is A and C but not B. This region is A and C but not B. This is called as A intersection C. This region is A and C but not B. And this region is A and B, that is A intersection B. This is A intersection C, and this is B and C but not A. This is B intersection C. And what is this small region here? So here we have one region that is A, B and C. All the set elements, that is A intersection B intersection C. A intersection B intersection C. This is a common region for three sets. Here we have three sets, set A, set B, set C. This is a common region for both the sets A intersection B intersection C. And this is a region for A intersection B. This is a region for B intersection C. And this is for A intersection C. This is the main concept for three elements. If you are understanding this concept, easily you can construct Venn diagram for three elements. And here you need to understand this concept also. N of A is equal to x plus z. And here N of A is equal to x plus z. This x part and z part is called as N of A. N of A is equal to x plus z. And N of B is equal to again y plus z. Already I have discussed this in two ways. Already I have discussed this concept in two elements also. And N of A intersection B. N of A intersection B means it is a region of Z. And total number of elements is equal to x plus y plus z plus w. So total number is equal to x plus y plus z plus w is equal to total number. Using this method, easily you can construct Venn diagram for three elements. So let us understand with an example. First question, 100 were students interviewed. So total 100 students were interviewed and 20 took physics. So N of A is equal to I will take it as 28. And 31 took biology. N of B is equal to 31. And 42 took English. N of C is equal to 42. So I will consider three sets, set A, set B and set C. So N of A is equal to 28, N of B is equal to 31, N of C is equal to 42. And 9 members took physics and biology. Physics and biology means A and B, set A and B. So 9 took physics and biology. That means N of A intersection B is equal to 9. N of A intersection B is equal to 9 because 9 students took physics and biology. And 10 took physics and English. Physics and English, that is A intersection C. N of A intersection C is equal to 10. And 6 took biology and English. So N of B intersection C is equal to 6. And 4 took all 3 subjects. 4 took all 3 subjects means N of A intersection B intersection C is equal to 4. So first draw a Venn diagram for this. This is set A, set B, set C and this is universal set. So first write all the given set values. So N of A is equal to 28, N of B is 31, N of C is equal to 42. First write all the common for both set A, set B and set C. So N of A intersection B intersection C is equal to 4. So I will write in this region. This is common for both set A, set B and set C. That is N of A intersection B intersection C is equal to 4 because 4 took all 3 subjects. I will write in this area. And this you can also written as in place of A. If you want, you can write physics, bio and English. This also you can write and you can find the value. So here first write the common region. So N of A intersection B. So N of A intersection B means this area is called as N of A intersection B. So how will you find N of A intersection B? Just first check the N of A intersection B intersection C value, then subtract from 9 from 4. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. This is A intersection B value. So N of A intersection B I have 9. So but here I have written N of A intersection B intersection C is equal to 4 because 4 took all the 3 subjects. So all the 3 subjects means you just subtract from 9 to this A. You just subtract from 9 to 4, you will get 5. And next write N of A intersection C. So this region is called as N of A intersection C. So N of A intersection C is 10, but 10 minus 4 is 6. Understand the concept? So here in place of A intersection B, you need to write 9. But here already I have 4 because 4 took all 3 subjects, that is N of A intersection B intersection C. I have written 4. So 9 minus 4 is 5. And A intersection C is equal to 10. So 10 minus 4 is 6. And what is B intersection C? B intersection C is equal to 6. So 6 minus 4 is 2. First write all the common regions and you can find the individual set value. So now 28 took physics, 31 took bio and 42 took English. So find out the individual value now. So now I will find A value. 28 took physics. So I have 28, N of A is equal to 28. But you need to consider this, you need to add this value and you can subtract from A value. So here I have 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. So 28 minus 15 is 13. So 13 is your A. That means 13 took only physics. So A is equal to 13. And N of B is equal to 31. So I will consider only this region. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. So 31 minus 11. N of B is equal to 31. And add this. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. You just subtract this. It is 20. So 20 means 20 students took only bio. So now N of C is equal to 42. I will consider only this region. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. N of C is equal to 42 minus 12. It is 30. So in place of C, I will write this 30. So now you can cross check the answer. You just count these numbers. 13 plus 5, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. 22 plus 6, 28. 28 plus 2, 30. 30 plus 20, 50. 50 plus 30, 80. So here out of 100 students, we got only 80 students counted. So out of 100 students, we got only 80 students. Then remaining students, none of 3 subjects. The remaining students took none of 3 subjects, that is universal set 20. So here I added all these values, I got 80. But I have 100 students here. So remaining 20 students took none of the 3 subjects, that is the answer for first question. So you can shade only this region. Out of this, you can shade only this region for first question. You need to write the diagram for every question. How many students took physics but not bio or English? That is 13 students took physics but not bio or English. So next question, how many students took bio and physics but not English? Bio and physics but not English. That is 5 members took bio and physics but not English. So this is your answer. So you need to write the diagram for both the questions. So in the first question, you need to shade this universal set area, and that means how many took none of the 3 subjects, that is 20 students took none of the 3 subjects. So except this circle, you can shade this universal set region. And for second question, how many students took physics but not bio or English? So how many students took physics but not bio or English means you need to shade only this region. And how many students took bio and physics but not English? Bio and physics but not English means you need to shade only this region. So this is your Venn diagram for 3 elements. The next question is 110 students. Out of 110 students, 40 like basketball. N of A is equal to 40, and 45 like cricket. N of B is equal to 45. 33 like football. N of C is equal to 33. And 11 like basketball and cricket. So N of A intersection B is equal to 11. And 8 like cricket and football. N of B intersection C is equal to 8. And 5 like basketball and football. N of A intersection C is equal to 5. 4 like all 3 sports. That means N of A intersection B intersection C is equal to 4. So now draw a diagram for this first. So here I have 3 sports. If you want, you can write the sports name or else set A, B, C, or this is basketball, this is cricket, and this is football. So first write the common value for both set A, B and C, that is 4. First write the common value for both the sets, that is 4. 4 like all sports, and 11 like basketball and cricket, that is A intersection B. So 11 like basketball and cricket. So out of 11, I have 4 already. So 11 minus 4 is 7. That is B. That is A intersection B. And how many like cricket and football? Cricket and football. So 8 like cricket and football. 8 minus 4 is 4. So 5 like basketball and football only. So no need to subtract with the values of common region. No need to subtract with common value. So 5 like basketball and football only. That is 5. 5 members like basketball and football only. That have written directly, it is 5. So now I have to find the value of how many like basketball only, how many like cricket only, and how many like football only. So here n of A is equal to 40. First you count this numbers. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 11 plus 5 is equal to 16. So n of A is equal to 40. 40 minus 16, that is 24. So 24 like only basketball. So 45 minus 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. So 45 minus 15, 30. So 30 likes only cricket. And how many like only football? So 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. So n of C is equal to 33 minus 13. So we will get 20. This 20. So now add all the values. 24 plus 5 is 29. 29 plus 20, it is 49. 49 plus 4 is 53. 53 plus 4 is 57. 57 plus 4 is 64. 64 plus 30 is 94. So out of 110, we have only 94. The remaining 16. So where are the remaining 16? So remaining 16s are out of the area. So this is your Venn diagram. So here how many students only like basketball? That is 24. How many like only cricket? 30. How many like only football? 20. So this is your Venn diagram for the given question. And the next question, in a college, 60 students enrolled in chemistry. 60 students enrolled in chemistry, 40 in physics and 30 in biology. 15 in chemistry and physics and also 15 in chemistry and physics. So n of A intersection B is equal to 15 and 10 in physics and bio. So n of B intersection C is equal to 10 and 5 in bio and chemistry. So n of A intersection is equal to 5. So first write the diagram for this. And no one enrolled in all the 3. Find how many are enrolled in at least one of the 3 subjects. So here first write the subjects. Let C, P and B represents the subjects chemistry, physics and biology respectively. Then write the diagram for this. A, B, C, or you can give chemistry, physics and biology. So here they have not given the common for both the subjects. They have not given how many students took both physics, chemistry and biology. So I will write this 0. And what is A intersection B? A intersection B is equal to 15. And what is the B intersection C? B intersection C is 10. And A intersection C is 5. First write all the given values and find out A, B, that means how many took only chemistry, how many took only physics, how many took only biology. So n of A is equal to 60. So 15 plus 5 is 20. So 60 minus 20 is equal to 40. So 40 students took only chemistry. And how many took only physics? And n of b is equal to 40. 15 plus 10 is 25. 40 minus 25 is equal to 15. So 15 took only physics. And n of c is equal to 30. So 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So 15 took only biology. So this is the answer for your question. Find how many are enrolled in at least one of the subjects. So only 40 students is enrolled for chemistry, 15 for physics and 15 for biology. So this is your Venn diagram. This is your last question. An advertising agency finds that of its 170 clients. So total 170 clients. 115 use television. So n of a is equal to 115 and 110 use radio. If you want, you can consider television, radio also. N of b is equal to 110. 130 use magazine. N of c is equal to 130. Also 85 use television and magazines. N of a intersection b is equal to 85 and 75 use television and radio. N of b intersection c is equal to 75 and 95 use radio and magazines. So n of a intersection c is equal to 95. So 70 use all the three in the sense n of a intersection b intersection c. So it is equal to 70. So first write all the given values. Draw a Venn diagram to represent these data to find how many use only radio, how many use only television, how many use television and magazine but not radio. Already I have discussed in previous question also. Same method here also you can use. First write all the given values. So here we have 3 sets A, B, C or television, radio, and you can use this also television, radio and magazines. So first write A intersection B intersection C, it is 70. And what is A intersection B? 85. 85 minus 70, it is 15. And what is B intersection C? B intersection C is 75. Already we have 70. So I will write it is 5. And A intersection C is 95. 95 minus 70 is 25. So how many used only radio? How many used only television? How many used only magazines? So n of A is equal to 115. 115 minus. So first add this value. 15 plus 70 is 85. 85 plus 25 is 110. 85 plus 25 is 110. So 115 minus 110 is 5. And n of b is equal to 110. So 70 plus 15 is 85. 85 plus 5 is 90. So 110 minus 90 is 20. And n of c is equal to 130. So first add this. 25 plus 70 is 95. 95 plus 5 is 100. So 130 minus 100 is 30. So here 5 use only television and 20 use only radio and 30 use only magazines. And here first add all the values and you can find out this. This is assignment question for you. So this is assignment question. Please try out this question. Easily you can write the Venn diagram for this also. For every question, please write the diagram and shade the particular region. So this is called Venn diagram for 2 and 3 elements. So very simple concept, my dear students. Easily you can score in Venn diagram if it is 2 elements or if it is 3 elements or it is 1 element also. So this is called as Venn diagram. So Venn diagram represents a pictorial representation of a given set elements and it represents the relationship between them. So this is your Venn diagram concepts. So in my next session, I will come with a new concepts. Thank you.